Hey everyone, welcome back to Echo Your English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ryan. If you're new here, welcome. Echo Your English is all about teaching you real, natural English, the way native speakers actually talk, not the stuff you find in textbooks.
Exactly. We focus on practical conversation skills, common expressions, and the little things that make you sound fluent and natural.
And today's topic is perfect for that. We're covering suppose and supposed to, two phrases that native speakers use all the time, but that confuse the heck out of English learners.
So if you've ever wondered why we say, I was supposed to call you instead of I should have called you, or if you're not sure how to pronounce supposed to correctly, this episode is for you.
By the end of this conversation, you'll understand all the different meanings, you'll know how to pronounce it like a native, and you'll be ready to use these phrases confidently in your own conversations.
All right, let's dive in. Ryan, I have a question for you.
Sure, what's up?
What were you supposed to do today that you didn't do?
Oh man, I was supposed to go to the gym this morning, but I hit snooze like 5 times. Why do you ask?
Perfect, because that's exactly what we're talking about today. Suppose and supposed to.
These phrases confuse so many learners because they look similar but have completely different uses.
Right, and native speakers use them constantly in everyday conversation, so understanding them is essential.
Plus, there's the pronunciation issue. Most learners say supposed to wrong, and it sounds really unnatural. So today, we're breaking down all the different meanings, the grammar rules, and most importantly, how to actually use them in real conversations.
Let's start with supposed to, because that's the one you'll hear most often. Ryan, what does supposed to mean?
Supposed to has several meanings, but the most common one is obligation or expectation, something you're expected to do, either because of rules, plans, or social norms.
Right. I'm supposed to finish this report by Friday means it's expected of me. Maybe my boss told me, or it's the deadline.
You're supposed to wear a seatbelt means it's a rule or law. You're expected to do it.
We're supposed to meet at 7 p.m. means that's the plan. That's what we agreed on.
So, supposed to expresses what should happen according to expectations, rules, or plans.
Exactly. And here's the key. When we use supposed to in the past tense, it often implies that the thing didn't happen.
Yes, I was supposed to call her yesterday almost always means I didn't call her. If I had called her, I'd just say I called her yesterday.
He was supposed to be here an hour ago means he's not here, he's late, or he didn't show up.
We were supposed to go to the beach, but it rained, means we didn't go. The plan changed.
So past tense supposed to usually indicates unfulfilled expectations or plans that didn't work out.
Now, let's talk about pronunciation, because this is huge.
Oh yes, native speakers do not say supposed to, we say supposed to, or even sposta.
The D sound almost disappears and it blends together quickly. I'm supposed to go, or I'm supposed to go.
If you say I am supposed to go with clear separate syllables, you'll sound like you're reading from a textbook.
Practice saying it fast and connected. Supposed to, sposta, supposed to, sposta.
And in negative sentences, not supposed to often sounds like not supposed to, or even not sposta.
You're not supposed to park here sounds like you're not supposed to park here.
Okay, so we've covered supposed to for obligation and expectation. What's the second meaning?
The second meaning is believed to be or said to be. It's about reputation or what people generally think.
This restaurant is supposed to be really good, means people say it's good. It has that reputation.
He's supposed to be an expert in that field, means people believe he's an expert. That's his reputation.
That movie is supposed to be scary, means people say it's scary or it's advertised as scary.
Notice we're not stating facts here. We're talking about what's believed or claimed.
Right. Supposed to, in this case, means allegedly or reportedly.
Now let's switch to suppose without the to. This is different.
Suppose as a verb means to assume or to imagine something hypothetically.
Suppose you won the lottery. What would you do? I'm asking you to imagine a hypothetical situation.
Let's suppose the meeting gets canceled. What's our backup plan? We're considering a possibility.
This use of suppose is great for hypothetical questions and scenarios.
We also use I suppose to mean I guess or to show mild agreement or reluctant acceptance.
Do you want to go to that party? I suppose so means I guess, yeah, okay. Not super excited, but I'll go.
I suppose you're right means, yeah, I guess you're right, even though I'm not thrilled about it.
It shows you're agreeing, but not enthusiastically. There's a bit of reluctance or reservation.
I suppose I could help you means, okay, I'll help, but I'm not super eager.
So I suppose is softer and less committed than I think or definitely.
Now, there's also be supposed to in questions. What am I supposed to do? Or where are we supposed to go?
These questions ask about expectations or instructions. What am I supposed to do means what's expected of me? What should I do?
How am I supposed to know that? Is a slightly defensive response, meaning, how would I possibly know that? I wasn't told.
That one can sound a bit sarcastic or frustrated, depending on tone.
Let's practice some dialogues using these different meanings. Ryan, you start.
Okay. Emily, did you finish that book you were reading?
I was supposed to finish it last week, but I haven't had time. Why?
I wanted to know if it's any good. It's supposed to be a bestseller.
Yeah, it's really popular. From what I've read so far, I suppose it's pretty good, but it's a bit slow.
Okay, good to know. What am I supposed to bring to the party on Saturday?
I think you're supposed to bring drinks. Check the group chat to make sure.
Perfect. Did you catch all those different uses, listeners?
We used was supposed to for an unfulfilled expectation, supposed to be for reputation, I suppose for mild opinion, and supposed to for what's expected.
All in one natural conversation. Now, let's talk about common mistakes learners make with these phrases. Mistake number 1, forgetting the to in supposed to. You can't say I'm supposed go. It's always supposed to.
Even though we pronounce it supposed to, it's still grammatically supposed to.
Mistake number 2, using suppose when you mean supposed to. I suppose call her is wrong. It should be I'm supposed to call her.
Mistake number 3, pronouncing it too clearly and slowly. Remember, native speakers blend it, supposed to.
Mistake number 4, using present tense when talking about past unfulfilled expectations. Don't say I'm supposed to finish yesterday, say I was supposed to finish yesterday.
And mistake number 5, confusing supposed to with should. They're similar but not identical.
Right, I should call her means it's a good idea. I'm giving advice to myself. I'm supposed to call her means someone expects me to or I have an obligation.
Though in practice, they often overlap. Both express obligation, but supposed to is more about external expectations.
Let's do more practice. I'll give you a situation. Emily responds with the correct form.
Ready.
You had plans to meet a friend at 6, but you forgot. It's now 7. What do you say?
Oh no, I was supposed to meet Sarah at 6 and I totally forgot.
Good. Now someone asks your opinion about a new restaurant everyone's talking about.
I haven't been there yet, but it's supposed to be amazing. Everyone says the food is incredible.
Perfect. Now, you're not sure about your friend's suggestion to watch a horror movie.
I suppose we could watch it, but I'm not really into scary movies.
Excellent. One more. Your friend asks what time the movie starts.
I think we're supposed to be there by 7:30 for the 8 o'clock showing.
Great job. See how natural these sound in real contexts?
Now let's talk about some fixed expressions in common phrases with suppose.
I don't suppose you. This is a polite way to ask for something or check if something is possible.
I don't suppose you have a pen I could borrow. It's more polite than do you have a pen?
I suppose so and I suppose not are common responses showing mild agreement or disagreement.
Are you coming to dinner? I suppose so means yes, but without much enthusiasm.
Suppose we, or let's suppose, introduces hypothetical scenarios.
Suppose we leave at 5. Would we get there in time? We're considering a possibility.
What's that supposed to mean? This questions someone's intention or implication, often with suspicion or offense.
You always do this. What's that supposed to mean? You're challenging what they're implying.
That one can definitely sound confrontational depending on your tone.
Who's supposed to or what's supposed to asks about assignments or expectations.
Who's supposed to lock up tonight? What's supposed to happen next?
These are asking about the plan, the expectation, or the assigned responsibility.
Let's discuss the difference between supposed to and other similar expressions.
Great idea. Supposed to versus should. We touched on this, but let's clarify.
You're supposed to stop at red lights is about rules and laws. It's required.
You should eat more vegetables is advice or recommendation. It's a good idea, but not required.
Both express obligation, but supposed to is often about external rules or expectations, while should is more about personal judgment.
What about supposed to versus have to?
Have to is stronger and more definite. I have to finish this today means it's absolutely necessary.
I'm supposed to finish this today means it's expected, but there might be some flexibility.
Though in many cases they're interchangeable in casual conversation.
Supposed to versus going to.
Going to is about future plans or intentions. I'm going to call her means that's my plan.
I'm supposed to call her means someone expects me to, or it's an obligation.
I'm going to the gym tomorrow is my intention. I'm supposed to go to the gym might mean my trainer told me to, or I have a commitment.
The difference is subtle but important.
Now let's talk about negative forms, not supposed to.
This means something is prohibited, not allowed, or goes against expectations.
You're not supposed to use your phone during the movie means it's not allowed, it's against the rules.
We're not supposed to tell anyone means it's a secret. We've been told to keep it quiet.
That's not supposed to happen means something unexpected or wrong occurred.
The Wi-Fi is not supposed to be this slow means this isn't normal. This isn't how it should be.
Let's practice a full conversation using multiple forms. Emily, I'll start.
Go ahead.
Hey, weren't you supposed to send me that file yesterday?
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot. I was supposed to do it before I left work, but I got distracted.
No worries. Can you send it now?
Yeah, give me 5 minutes. I suppose I should have set a reminder.
It happens. By the way, that new project we're working on, what are we supposed to present next week?
I think we're supposed to show the preliminary results. Let me check the email to make sure.
Sounds good. Also, I heard the client is supposed to be pretty demanding. Is that true?
Yeah, that's what everyone says. Supposedly, they're very detail-oriented, so we need to be prepared.
Got it. Suppose they don't like our proposal. Do we have a backup plan?
I suppose we could adjust it based on their feedback. We're not supposed to finalize anything until they approve anyway.
Perfect. Did everyone catch all those uses?
We had unfulfilled obligation, reputation, mild opinion, questions about expectations, hypothetical scenarios, and prohibition.
All flowing naturally in one work conversation.
Exactly. This is how native speakers actually use these phrases every single day.
All right, let's give our listeners a challenge for this week.
Great idea. Here's your homework. Use supposed to at least 5 times this week in different contexts.
Try it for past unfulfilled plans. I was supposed to.
For current obligations, I'm supposed to.
For reputation or claims, it's supposed to be.
And try I suppose for a mild opinion or reluctant agreement.
Pay attention to how you pronounce it. Practice saying supposed to quickly and naturally.
And notice when native speakers use it in shows, podcasts, or conversations. You'll hear it constantly.
The more you practice, the more automatic it becomes.
Before we wrap up, let's do a quick summary.
Supposed to, for obligations, expectations, and plans, often implies something didn't happen when used in past tense.
Supposed to, for reputation or beliefs. It's supposed to be good.
Suppose for hypothetical scenarios. Suppose we tried something different.
I suppose you're right, for mild agreement or reluctant acceptance.
Pronunciation. Supposed to or supposed to, not supposed.
Not supposed to, for prohibition or things that shouldn't happen.
And remember, these phrases are everywhere in natural English conversation.
Thanks so much for listening to Echo Your English. If this episode helped you, please subscribe and leave us a comment.
Let us know which use of suppose or supposed to is trickiest for you.
Practice this week and you'll sound so much more natural.
See you next time.